Today I'm going to show you how to find trends on X, also known as Twitter, across the world instead of only seeing what's trending in your current location. This is a really useful trick if you want to follow international news, discover global conversations, or compare what people are talking about in different regions. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left-hand navigation menu. Find the More icon and click it. This opens up extra settings and options that are not shown in the main menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Once the Settings page opens, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls what you see, what others can see, and how X personalizes your experience. Next, click on Content you see. This area contains the options that affect the type of posts, topics, and trends that appear in your feed, and explore tabs. After that, select Explore Settings. This is the section that controls how trends are displayed to you. Here you'll see an option that says Show content in your current location. By default, this is usually turned on, which means X focuses trends based on where you are right now. To see trends from around the world instead, simply toggle that option off. Once you switch it off, X will stop prioritizing your local location for trend recommendations. That means you can start seeing a broader range of trending topics and conversations from other places around the world. This is great if you want a more global view of what people are discussing on X, rather than just local topics near you. And that's it. You've now changed your Explore settings so you can find trends on X across the world. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.